Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by cutting power and water. This prevents shocks and leaks, so do it now. Once done, clear the drum so you can reach the net without obstruction. You will next find the mesh. Inspect the front door seal, drum lip, or small panel near the base because the net often sits clipped or threaded into a housing. Make sure to have a flashlight and a small flat tool ready. You will need them for the first release action. Now you remove the access panel or unclip the housing that holds the net. Use a screwdriver to take out visible screws and store them safely. If there are spring tabs, press evenly to avoid bending. Once the cover is off, grip the mesh edge and pull steadily. This prevents tearing or leaving fragments behind. If the net is threaded, rotate gently as you withdraw it. Make sure to catch any escaping water with a towel and a shallow pan to keep the floor dry. With the net removed, rinse it under warm water and check for holes. This ensures filtration works and prevents lint bypass. Replace the net by aligning its frame into the housing, then press or screw the cover back in place. Make sure all tabs click so seals engage. Turn water and power on, then run a short rinse cycle to test for leaks and correct seating. If you notice leaks, recheck seal alignment and screw tension. A torn mesh must be replaced immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.